Hi, this is Sean Hyman from MyWealth.com. I just wanted to talk to you about an investment trick that we in the industry use a lot, and it has been a help to me in making my own investing decisions. I believe it will really be a help to you as well, because what I find is when people are new to the currency market, it's kind of a foreign thing to them. And so you need to find things that they can relate to that are outside the currency market, that they have faith in outside the currency market, that will help them interpret the happenings in the currency market. And so I really think that you're going to enjoy this one today, so let's go ahead and get started.
Be sure to check out the written blog at www.mywealth.com/blog. I want to talk to you today about an investing trick of the trade that I've learned through the years. You know, when you've been investing for 16 plus years like I have, you pick up some tricks of the trade. And one of those tricks is that the euro and oil head in the same direction overall, over longer periods of time. This doesn't mean it does day by day, but literally over weeks and months and years, this phenomenon happens. I have a strong opinion on where oil and gasoline prices are going over time, and I bet you do too. If so, then you also know where the euro, which is the euro USD pair, is likely going also. Take a look at this chart, and you'll see oil on the top is the top black line at the left of your chart, and the euro is the red and black line underneath it. And you'll see that and this is a 3-year chart, so you'll see that these travel very well in tandem over periods of time. So a lot of people I find are a little bit timid of investing in currencies because they fear a lack of knowledge. But a lot of times, if you're just filling up at the pump, you track mentally and you're aware of where gas prices are headed. And why are gas prices rising or falling? They do that because of where oil, the underlying commodity, is rising or falling. And so if you've got an opinion on where oil is going and where gas prices are going, then you by default have an opinion on where the euro is going in the euro/USD pair. And so if you think oil and gas is headed higher in the next 6, 12 months, 24 months, then you also have an opinion on where the euro is headed as well in that period of time. Now, when I said oil and the euro travel in generally the same direction, the bad news is that the dollar generally trades in the opposite direction. And so when the euro and the and oil are trading higher, the dollar tends to trade lower, and that's the bad part especially for U.S. investors, because it's a double whammy. You're losing strength of your dollar, and you're getting tackled by higher gasoline prices at the pump. So and it's amazing too, because just a couple of months ago or so, Obama talked about how strong our dollar was and how it was doing so well, and it was really pretty close to about that time, just very shortly thereafter, that the chart took out its lows. And you'll see that by the lower highs that it started to produce and the lower lows that it started to produce, the breaking of this blue uptrend line and the breaking of that thin black 200 SMA. It's a simple moving average. Don't have any problems with it. If you don't understand what a 200 SMA is, that's okay. We teach all these types of things, technical indicators, in our courses. But the important point to take away is that 2 ways that trends are determined by big funds and by long-term investors and by big money banks are trend lines and 200 SMAs. And when both of these are taken out, it's very bearish for the dollar, which means it's also bullish for oil. It's bullish for the euro. And as you'll see on this next chart, the euro dollar broke its downtrend line and now trades above its 200 SMA, which again is that black thin line. So the euro has made recent higher lows and is about to break into higher highs as well. And so the euro dollar has now changed course from over a year ago. I mean, literally, it couldn't overcome its 200 SMA. It stayed in this downtrend that was just plaguing it, and now those tables are turning. And so it's a new day for the euro dollar. So start to prepare now for rising oil and gasoline prices by investing in things that go up as these commodities increase in price. That way, while everyone else is crying the blues about higher gas prices, your investments will be partially hedged due to the increase in gasoline costs. So since you know that gas prices are heading higher over time, do something about it today by investing in the euro-USD pair specifically. Because a lot of people they know gas prices are going up, but they don't know what to do to kind of counteract this. This is one very highly correlated pair to gasoline prices, and you can literally trade on the EUR/USD, euro dollar pair, by buying it. And that will help you to prepare for the huge increases coming in fuel costs over the next 12 to 24 months. Also, I'd like to point out a new feature that we have. Like, you can click on our blog section of our website at mywealth.com, and there's a chat box that you can click on Live Help, and a chat box will pop up like what you'll see to the left. Also, if you have any trouble finding this, you can literally scroll to the bottom of the written blog, and I've got a click here link that you can click, and it'll actually just bring you right to this chat box, and you can chat with us today. We'll answer any of your questions about courses, about how to get started investing in the currency market, also about any of our other courses that we offer as well, personal finance, investing courses, things of that sort. You'll notice too there's a phone number if you'd prefer to talk to us live and in person, 866-257-9677. That's 866-257-9677. And you can reach us that way as well. But whatever you do, don't wait. Get in a course and get educated today at www.mywealth.com.
Hope you enjoyed that today. I know it can be exciting to know that you really know more about the currency market a lot of times than you think that you do, because you fill up at the gas tank all the time, and you know what the prices are at the pump, and you generally have a great feel as to where these things are going higher or lower over long periods of time. And in doing so, and in watching just simply gas prices when you fill up at the pump, you really have more of an idea about where the euro is going in relation to the dollar, so the euro/USD pair, really than you think that you probably thought that you had beforehand. And so I'd like to encourage you to get started in a demo account today and start trading the euro dollar based off of where you feel that's going, and to get into our currency courses so that you can learn better ways to enter into that long-term idea, because there's technical indicators that can help you get into that long-term trend where the euro is going, where the euro is heading higher as oil and gas prices head higher as well. So I'd like to encourage you to get started today. Click on our courses tab, or even down at the bottom of our written article, you can scroll to the bottom of it and click on a button where you can, or a link rather, that you can chat with us. We'll answer any questions you have. I've also got the phone number where you can reach us at the bottom of my signature as well. So give us a call or chat with us today. Thanks so much.